As you can see, I'm in my project folder. I have my style CSS file opened, which is in my CSS folder right here. And now I want to show you how to do style reset and defining global properties for our CSS styles, which will make starting your own project more comfortable, simpler, and quicker. This is something that I do at the beginning of every project I make, so it might be useful for you as well. The first thing we need to do is the style reset, and I'm using the asterisk symbol for it. As you may know, asterisk means take all the elements. So the browser is taking every element separately and set these properties with these values, which are included in this CSS rule. The first thing we want to do is to set our margin to 0 for every element on our website. This will be the starting point for all the elements on our website, and we will set custom margins according to our needs for each element separately. It's the same situation with padding, which also should be 0 at the beginning of our project. The next thing is something that we didn't discuss before, but let me show you. It's the property of box sizing with the value of border box. Now, since this template should be useful for you in your future learning and work, I decided to place this property, which is very useful, but we will discuss it further when we will be talking about the box model very soon in this course. For now, just keep in mind that this property, box sizing with the value of border box, should be also placed in our style reset because it really comes in handy, which you will see for your own very soon. Now let's define some global properties for our website. We will be using HTML tag for this. So here we will set some properties with the values for the HTML tag, and we would like them to be inhabited by all the elements of our website which haven't got their own set properties with their values. First thing we want to do is to set the default font family for our website. For example, it could be Roboto if we import it from the Google fonts, or whatever font you want to choose. And we may enter Arial just in case. And if even Arial is not found, let's place sans serif. Such an entry will get rid of the Times New Roman font, which might be a little distractive when we are starting to create our own website. Now we can set, for example, a global font size set to 10 pixels, because then we can refer to it with the rem unit, setting the font sizes for our elements. For example, H1 could be 2 rem, which would be 20 pixels. The article could be 1.5 rem, then it would be 15 pixels. The advantage of this solution is that even further, all we have to do is to change this global font size to, for example, 12 pixels, and then all the font sizes using the rem unit will adjust to this value. So we won't have to set the font sizes for all elements separately because we have one global value to set them all. And 10 pixels, it's a really nice value because it's simple to multiply and divide. The next thing we can define is the color of the font on our website. For example, if we don't want it to be black because the contrast between white and black may be too rough, we can place something like 222, which would be very dark color but not entirely black, and it can be nice looking on the website that we create. Now keep in mind, what's the difference between placing these properties in the HTML tag and these properties with the asterisk symbol? And the answer is very simple. All those properties are inherited. So we can set it to the HTML tag, and font family, font size, and color will be inherited to all the elements in our HTML document, until we set manually something else precisely for that particular element. But these properties, margin, padding, and box sizing, are not inherited, so we have to use asterisk selector to place them directly in every element separately on our website. That's how this works, and this is a good way of starting to style our new project because it can make our work easier and more comfortable. All that file structure with its content will be provided to you. You can view it, edit it, and use it in your own projects if you want. Thank you for being with me till the end of this section, and I hope to see you as soon as possible in the next one.